Hey guys, and welcome to Art by Kadim. As you can see right here, I am drawing Vegeta in a Super Saiyan 2 form under the control of babidi in the Buu Saga. Here you can see I already draw the chin. I'm already drawing the ears, as you can see right here. Drawing the little details, trying to get it perfect. I'm moving on to the other ears on the left, or should I say the right side, or should I say the left side actually. Getting the details in here and finish. And then here I'll be going on to drawing the actual sculpture of his head in terms of the shape of his hair. As you already know how he looks, I'm here trying to I made a little bit of mistake here, so I erased it and then I make sure to fix it properly. Here, as you can see, I am drawing the hair, trying to get it as perfect as possible. I move on a little bit away from it to draw the M on his forehead to show that he's been under the control of babidi. Moving on to the eyebrows. Trying to get the little details in. Drawing the eye. Moving on to the next eyebrow on the right. Made a little mistake, but when going back to draw it properly. Then the other eye on the right side. You know, those black curves around his eyes. And also trying to make it perfect. Now to draw the veins in his head. Or should I say the little markings under his eye first. His nose. Now to the veins. That's Vegeta's signature look when he's angry. Now for the mouth. Made a little mistake on the nose, so I'm trying to fix it here. Now can move on to the neck. Alright, trying to get the shoulders to be drawn properly. Now for the chest. Alright, now I'll move on to the hair in order to draw his hair. Trying to get each and every side properly. And here, trying to get the other side of the hair on his head. Trying to get each and every spike in his hair until I am finished. Now I'm going to draw the outfit that he wears. Not going to draw all of it, but just a few specks of it. And